So, hello everybody. Welcome to the call with myself, Dr. Sanjeev, and Suruchi Hirawat. And
Hi.
we created this call series, this particular Zoom call. The name of this call is called "Dare to be Joyful." Okay. So, Suruchi, do you want to explain to them how this got created?
We were actually looking at what is the USP we have. Like what we all have some USP. How are we different from somebody else? So I was like, okay, Sanjeev, what's your USP? And he's like, yeah. Then we narrowed down to one word that was daring. So we picked the word dare. Then he asked me the same question, what is your USP? I like, if it's not joy, I cannot exist. Like anything, even in the worst situation, I need to be joyful. The joy element needs to be there. So we get down, we like, okay. So we get going and asking is like, how many people are you willing to be joyful irrespective, dare to be joyful irrespective your partner, your given circumstances, like lockdown is a beautiful circumstances right now. You may be very joyful in your space, but other people are worried about money or stress. How much you cut down your joy so that they don't feel offended because you have to live in the same room or you have to cover it up, what the other person will think that you're becoming insensitive to them.
And everything that brings up for you, destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, poor and poor, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So for those of you that don't know, that's the clearing statement that we use. So we ask a question and it brings up an energy, and we use the access consciousness clearing statement to clear that whole energy. So for example, if we ask you this question, would you dare to be joyful even when nobody around you is? Certain emotions come up, certain thoughts come up, certain thoughts, oh, how can I be joyful when others are not joyful? These things come up. And then we say everything that brings up, destroy and uncreate it all. Suruchi, would you like to run the clearing statement once?
So everything that brings up for each one of you or let you down, can you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pock and pod, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. Because it's a short zoom, we'll not go what the whole word means, but it's like a magical wand. The moment you think, the question is put across, there's an energy that comes up. Maybe for some a thought will come, for some a conclusion will come, anything. Or for some it will be a blank space, but there's an energy to it. When that comes up, this clearing statement actually works like, now I'm like only thinking of jhadu poncha because of no maid around and things like that. It actually works like cleaning the surface. It just not clean the surface from the top, but from layers within, from where it was germinated. The thought was germinated. So if you would like to know more, there's a clearingstatement.com by Dane Heath. Go see the video. He's explained for good 15-20 minutes about each word. But here we are going to use this word, which you can say like a abracadabra ka band or hockey pocky or whatever you want to, but it is magical. So
It's something like the clearing statement goes down into your subconscious mind. You've got a conscious mind and you've got a subconscious mind. And in your subconscious mind, you have all of these folders, all of these folders with either like a positive charge or like a negative charge, that with which you associate anything that's going on, which creates that positive and negative charge association is called a polarity. And this clearing statement deletes all those folders and all those programmings, the subconscious programming that holds you back in that area of your life. So in short, it's like pressing the delete button to all those negative programming in your life. Okay. So Sherry says, hi, Suruchi.
hi.
Okay. So what we thought, we have some questions. So as Suruchi and I were conversing, we were like, okay, what is it that they need to hear? We came up with 10 questions. We came up with 10 questions that can perhaps change something for you. So Suruchi, are we ready to start that?
Yes, doctor, let's go. Get the surgery done. Too excited. I don't have a degree, but I can do energetic surgery.
Okay.
So let's go.
Before we start, Suruchi and I have 5 questions. I'm starting a poll. Okay. So here's a poll. 5 questions in front of you, and each one of you can answer this, and the results will appear for us all to understand. Suruchi, shall I read out?
Don't worry, your name will be disclosed. Name will not appear, so you can answer freely.
Yeah. Suruchi, do you want to read out the questions or should I?
You can do it.
Okay. Question number 1. How joyful are you right now? Option A 0%, 10%, 50%, or option D 100%. How joyful are you right now? At this moment. Okay. Click on the particular option. The second question is, how do you feel when others around you are unhappy? You know, you are going about your day-to-day life and then people around you are unhappy, maybe family or maybe the country or maybe your workplace or whoever. People, how do you feel when people around you are unhappy? Option A, unhappy. You also feel unhappy. Option B, guilty. Option C, concerned. Option D is happy. And option E is neutral. Okay. And third question, here's a scenario. You and your best friend are in a similar business line. Your friend makes a lot of money, and due to circumstances like, you know, lockdown, you made lesser money. How does that make you feel? Option A, you're not bothered. Option B, you feel like you're not good enough. Option C, you feel angry. Option D, you feel jealous. Option E, you feel motivated. Click whichever is applicable for you without thinking much. Suruchi, do you want to read the fourth and fifth questions?
Yes. Okay. How often do you maintain some comfortable distance to avoid total communion with your partner or your business? So, if you are not aware what comfortable distance means, it's just like a separation. We keep a gap, a distance. So, let me just put it this way. Option 1 is sometimes. Option 2 is often. Option 3, almost always. Option 4, never, ever, never. So that is the question 4. Question 5. How likely are you to suggest a friend to choose a class or a session with Suruchi and Dr. Sanjeev? Even I didn't know where it came from, but
I just put in that question yesterday when we discussed that question. So it's just like, okay, where did this question come from?
It's my expression. I'm like, this is how happened. Like when unexpected things come and you're like, Okay. 0%.
0%, 10%, 50%, or 100%.
Question 6. Have you heard about Access Online 4-day foundation class? It's a very simple yes or a no question. So this is a question. I hope everybody there's no right and wrong answer. Just whatever comes, be in that moment and answer it. So Sanjeev, what does the poll say? Have everybody answered?
42 out of 54, 43 have answered. Some people are still taking time. So let's just give them 10 more seconds.
Yeah, nice. So we are playing KBC here. And I think Sanjeev can mimic Amitabh Bachchan. I will give gender benefit to myself and say, no, I can't mimic.
अगला सवाल ये रहा आपकी स्क्रीन पर. Okay. Time is up. Ready for results? Here are the results. Right now, at this point of time, as we begin our call, only 50% of the people, 60% of the people are only half happy. Okay. Suruchi, 60% of the people here are only 50% happy. What do you think about that?
I will feel, it's like, okay, so what are your reasons and justification or conclusions you have? It doesn't make you feel happy, because if happiness or joyful is just a choice, is my question.
And I think that brings up right and wrong, good and bad, porn, pop, online, shorts, boys and beyonds. Question number 2. How do you feel when others around you are unhappy? Okay. Only Suruchi, when people around are unhappy, only 2% of the people here would feel happy. What do you have to say to that?
How much is conditioning? So all the conditioning that we have from childhood, maybe from the womb level, if I have to say, at the time you were in conception in your mother's womb, that you can only be happy when your surrounding is happy. Have you seen nature? If we are can be just like nature and spread our happiness. What if your laughter, if your happiness can bring that happiness around? But if you control and make yourself also small, will you be a contribution or will you be a liability? Is my question.
And everything that brings up, destroy and uncreate it all, right and wrong, good and bad, porn, pork, online, shorts, boys and beyonds. And Suruchi, majority of the people will be concerned. 63 people here, 63% of the people here would be concerned when people around are unhappy. Okay. So now my question to that would be, is your concern coming from a space of action or reaction? Okay. See, when there is a situation around, yes, of course, you respond to the situation. You don't have to blind yourself to the situation. Yes. But there are two ways. One is a reaction. A reactionary thing would be, okay, my mom and dad are fighting. A reaction would be me going in and stepping in and, trying to solve the problem. Getting involved is actually a reaction. Me going into a question, okay, what is required in this situation, might allow me to take an action. Right now during the corona situation, there are many people who are responding out of concern, but from a reactionary space, meaning they're going into fear, and they're tapping into the existing suffering of other people, and they themselves are becoming more fearful, and they themselves are becoming, more unhappy. That's a reaction, is it not? Is that an action or a reaction? That's a reaction. An action, what would an action look like in this situation? Say people around you are unhappy. Yes, you are concerned as a human being. You have natural concern. So, Suruchi, what might be an action that we can take? You want to talk to that?
See, when we're talking about an action, first I'll ask, okay, what is this? What can I do with it? Have I already concluded that this is going to turn around the way it has always turned around? So it's a conclusion. And when we have concluded something, it is not going to change anything. Because my point of view is it's going to lead to a massive destruction. Where have you concluded that they don't have a power to change something? See, it's like when we do reaction, we do it from two ways. Either coming from superiority that I can handle it. When you're coming from a superiority level, you have handicapped the other person, their ability to choose. It's okay if they can make mistake, but the idea is to empower somebody that they have a choice.
So do you mean to say that genuine concern will not make you help somebody? Genuine concern will make you empower somebody?
Yes, but depending upon, like if I have a child, for example, I'd like, okay, let me take today's example where we were playing and my two boys had a fight, and the younger one rolled down and he broke the tape, fell on the glass, and the glass broke and his finger got cut. There was a situation, there was a reaction from my husband's side, and there was an action. I could react, but I was like, okay, first need to be taken care of. Fine. Then the person was getting blamed because, see, it's like a victimizer where you're reacting that the other person is responsible. In any fight, you make one person guilty. What if the person is not guilty? It's like when you're asking question, what can I do here? It was just to seize that moment and not react. Because there was a reaction from one side and there was an action from one side. So then I took my older one in the room and I told him, all the labels that has been put on you, can you destroy? He's like, I am not affected. I said, I get it. But because when you are the one who looks like guilty, because the other one got hurt, we tend to put labels. So the concern when it comes, when we are talking about getting back to the concern was that my husband was looking at it like he was concerned that the younger one, the blood is coming out. But in that concern, you're making other person responsible for something which he's not. Because you're reacting, you're not in action, you didn't ask question. So that is what I'm trying to say is when you are concerned, ask, am I handicapping the other person? Am I blaming them for something? Because it's very easy to judge the other person guilty. One party has to be guilty and the other person is the innocent one. What if nobody is guilty in any situation?
And if people around us are unhappy, what might be a good way to empower them? Or should we even empower them? Should we even venture into that? Or should we ask a question? Or should we choose? Or in my choosing of happiness radiates that joy and changes the situation inevitably if they choose?
See, first I have to ask, Does the person love to be unhappy? If he loves, why will I take his sadness away? It's like taking your favorite toy away from you. I like holding on to that toy. Simple. I may be 18, but I like keeping with that toy. It's a choice. If not, okay, would it receive happiness? Because for some people, if you take their reason is to be unhappy. It's weird, but that's what it is, because you do whatever, they're not going to change. That is the sole purpose in life, that they have decided that their life is unhappy and they need to be. So leave it, live your life. But yes, if they're ready, what happiness can you be? That'll be an invitation for somebody to choose greater. When you see your friend, she got a nice haircut and everything, and they become an invitation for you to look at your own self. It's like, oh, what can I add? Yeah, she's looking so different now. He's looking so different. What can I do?
But Suruchi, aren't feelings so, some people make feelings as so real, right?
Because Sanjeev, in this reality, we've been told, in this reality, haven't been told that if you don't feel, you're a stone.
Everything that brings up, destroy and uncreate it all, right and wrong, good and bad, point, POC, online, shorts, boys and beyonds. How many feelings are you using to avoid the joy you could be choosing? And everything that is times a cousin, can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and POC, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds.
What if joy is not an awareness? Sorry, what if joy is not a feeling? What if joy is a state of your being? What if joy is an awareness? Every feeling that you're using, a feeling is a justification to cover up your awareness. Any feeling, sadness, I feel like I feel offended. I feel like I need to punch him on the face. I feel like I am responsible. I feel like they should not be sad. I feel like he should not have done that. I feel like I should never talk to him again. All these feelings are actually superficial coverings to an awareness beneath that. And every feeling is a distraction from your awareness. And joy is not a feeling.
Everything that brings up takes you into your head to figure out what exactly Sanjeev is saying and where can I find myself. Can you let go of your head tripping?
Good and bad, porn, pork, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds.
So, see the same situation if you see a 3-year-old child. How does a 3-year-old child behave? He's talking and we are scolding. Just keep quiet. Everybody's stressed here. Don't be too much. So everywhere you were made wrong for being joyful in your childhood. And now because you become an adult, you need to behave like an adult. So you need to hide your joy because otherwise people will make you wrong again. And everywhere you're not letting even your face or even that you're really joyful, irrespective of whatever is going on. Can you let go of that facade? Can you let go of that mask? Can you let go of the pretense just for you? It's just for you. You can pretend to be sad in front of everybody in the world, but at least know yourself that you're happy.
And everything that brings up, destroy and unclear it all.
Suruchi, can you repeat that?
Shots, boys and beyonds.
Yeah, Sherry, what?
Can you please repeat that clearing? That was an amazing clearing.
So all the pretense, all the mask that you're wearing, which doesn't allow you to be aware of your own self, that you are joyful. Because you were rejected, you were blamed, you were too much on people's eye when you were joyful, when you were young. And everywhere you're hiding and covering yourself with the sad face because you want to belong to your family, to your friends. And feelings are the beautiful way of connection. And everywhere which doesn't allow you to be in your state of being of happiness that we truly be, can we destroy and uncreate at all times a gazillion?
Right and wrong, good and bad, porn, pork, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. How many feelings are you using as the corruption of your awareness that you could be choosing? Everything that is times a gazillion, can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and POC, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. Okay, Sanjeev, I was asking, can we give ourselves permission to be child again? Because just like a child, nobody else knows how to be joyful. Because the moment we become big, because when we were a child, I remember I had this eager thing that when I'll become 18. Why? Because 18, 20, then I can take my decision. So I was like, I wanted to grow fast. I never knew like growing up means too many masks, too many situations to handle, because then people turn around. You're an adult, behave like an adult, don't behave like a child.
Everything that brings up, destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, porn, pork, online shots, boys and beyonds. Everything you decided at age 3, can you destroy and unclear it all? Suruchi, can you run the clearing
Right
statement?
and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all line, shots, boys and so
Everything you
what
decided
will
at
go
age.
wrong? Sorry.
Okay, let's run the whole age thing, okay? Everything you decided at age 7, can you destroy and unclear it all?
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all line, shots, boys and beyonds.
Everything you decided at age 10, can you destroy and unclear it all?
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all line, shots, boys and beyonds.
Everything you decided at age 13, can you destroy and unclear it all?
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all line, shots, boys and beyonds.
And every decision, conclusion, judgment that you took at age 17, can you destroy and unclear it all?
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds.
And every thoughts, feelings, emotions, decisions, conclusions, perversions, and expectations that you held at age 21, can you destroy and unclear all of that?
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds.
Do you perceive that space is different now?
Okay, everywhere you give being joyful because of the role you chose to play, a role of a daughter, mother, wife, husband, son. And joy was that token that you had to give away. The part of your being you had to give away to be the part of your family, to play that role. Can you give that role description up in which it says no joy?
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds.
Sister. Yeah. So somebody says sister. So all the job description, energetic job description, which is implanted and explanted to you the time you were born, that you are a male, you are a female, this is your job description and this is how you're supposed to be, which was not verbal, it was not cognitive, but energetic, which means you cannot show up as you. When you cannot show up as you, that means the joy has to diminish. It cannot be 100%. When is joy 100%? When you are being 100% of you. So everything that brings up, stir in your world. And however person you're ready to let go, it's your choice. I will not force it. It's just a choice.
And everything that brings up, destroy and unclear it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. Suruchi, what about this scenario? Okay, so look at this scenario. You and your best friend are in a similar business line. Your friend makes more money than you. Okay, 28% would blame themselves. They would feel that they are not enough. And 23% of the people would feel jealous. And 42% would feel motivated. What is jealousy? Suruchi, what is jealousy?
Yeah, how can... Sorry for my word, but how can she have it and I can't have it? Jealousy is coming because of the underlayer that I am not good enough. It is the programming that is set. I am not good because what we did, we picked up the jealousy because it was like convenient. Saying jealousy is a very go-to word. Yeah, I'm jealous. But where is jealousy deriving? Are you jealous of somebody where you are greater? No. Why? Because you already have a notion, I'm good enough then. Why should I be jealous? It's okay. But you're jealous of somebody whom you have put on pedestal, whom you have marked as better than you. So where have you concluded you are not good enough? So that is an underlining current that I am not good enough. That got triggered. Somebody else showed, see, I'm a rock star. I cracked it. You didn't? You got B. Hey, I too got A+. I just read for 1 hour. And in your head, it says, just shut up. It's okay. Don't rub it. Don't rub the salt on my wound.
Everything that brought up, right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds.
So Sanjeev, what is your take on jealousy?
I think jealousy is a possibility that you're not willing to choose.
Amazing. That's a beautiful, different perspective altogether.
So
why are we not ready to choose something? Why will we waste our time getting jealous?
Exactly. So what if, see, now this is a classical example of a feeling corrupting your awareness, okay? So you look at Suruchi or you look at me and you get an awareness of what we are choosing. And you could immediately go like, hey, I'm aware of something, a possibility that they are choosing that I can also choose. Boom, I choose that. Done. The universe shifts when you choose it. But instead, there is a feeling that comes on top of this awareness. And it's actually in your unwillingness to get that awareness, you use this feeling. The name of this feeling is called jealousy. The jealousy will make you feel something. so that you don't have to look at what you are not willing to choose or at your excuses for mediocrity. If you look at some young guy who's creating 25 lakhs at age 25, I trigger a lot of things in a lot of people. They're like, how the hell does he do that? He must be a rich kid, right? They would rather say that and discount me on my creation rather than looking at, hey, what is it that he's choosing that I can also choose, that if I chose, I would also make a huge amount of money.
But Sanjeev, sorry, one thing, you're saying ask and receive can happen?
Exactly.
I'm saying I can duplicate that energy of yours and create 25 lakhs sitting here.
Exactly.
Doctor, I'm not a doctor, yaar. People will take you more seriously than me because I'm just an MBA. So how can
Exactly. Everything that brought up, destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, point, POC, online shorts, voice, and beyond. So how many justifications are you using to avoid the awareness and choice that you could be choosing? How many reasons and justifications are you using to avoid the choice that you could be choosing? And everything that is times a Gaussian, can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes. Right and wrong, good and bad, point, POC, online shorts, all the invention of jealousy that you create. So that those are your reasons and justification for not creating your life, not creating your business, not creating your money flows, not creating in those areas. Every area where you stuck, ask what invention am I using for not out-creating someone whom I have already put on the pedestal. Can you not destroy and create that?
Right and wrong, good and bad, point, POC, online shorts, voice, and beyond. How many people are you unwilling to have jealous of you? Are you willing to receive jealousy? Are you willing to receive 200, 300 people being jealous of you? Suruchi, what happens when we start
it's not good. It's not good, Sanjeev. What you're talking, my parents told me, be kind, humble. You cannot flaunt yourself. It's not good.
Nazar lag jayega, no?
Nazar lag jayega. Next day, मेरा shop बंद हो जाएगा. I can't tell people.
Everything that brings up for anybody on the call, destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, POC, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. So is it true that you must diminish yourself? So everywhere you're diminishing yourselves to not get the nazar, to not get the jealousy of other people, to not make other people jealous, to not outcreate your family, to not outcreate your parents, to not outcreate your father. Ooh, big one. Everything that brings up, can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes. Right or wrong, good and bad, POC, all 9 shorts. Otherwise, where will their concern go if they flaunt? They need to be concerned, na? Their surrounding and everybody. How can they outcreate?
Everywhere you define concern as diminishing yourself into the lowest common denominator. Can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Right and wrong, good and bad, POC, all 9 shorts. And the thing is, how many lies you keep telling yourself for not out creating what you truly desire. If you get nothing out of this only for 10 minutes, if you sit with yourself and be honest, what do I truly desire to create, not what people expect me to create, or what, it's more about expectation, because half of the time you're only creating based on expectation, what people have put on you, or you have put on yourself based on your degree or your credentials.
What physical actualization are you using to justify your reasons and justifications of mediocrity as the eternal justification of your feelings are you using rather than creating the magnanimous life that you could be choosing? Can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Right and wrong, good and bad, POC, all 9 short bajman. And just how what Sanjeev spoke about, ask and receive. If it is that easy, why you want to make it so complicated? And which trophy will you win if you go to if you choose a path of highest struggle rather than taking a path of least resistance, easy path? What comes easy to you? Make money, have fun, have joy. What will it take to have that as your reality?
What if money follows joy?
Yes. But
how happy are you willing to be? And how sad are you willing to make other people around you?
Hey, I can't make people sad, yeah. It's not my nature. No, you can't define me. I'm a bitch, I agree, but I can't make people sad.
Everything that brings up for anybody on the call, destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, POC, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. So how upset are you? How much are you willing to upset people around you with your joy and happiness? If you are unwilling to upset people around you based on your joy and you choosing greater, do you know something, how much it upsets this reality? Do you know how much you are being an algorithmic interrupt? Every time you ask a question, every time you create something new, every time you are willing to go out of the box, do you know how much you are fucking up this reality? Do you know how much this reality hates you for that? Because you are daring to be different. So you have two choices. Either you continue to frack this reality, continue to fuck up this reality, and choose greater, choose to be you, choose to be the difference of you, or you can say, I'm concerned, and you can hold yourself back. What would you choose?
Everything that's coming up, fucking your mind, and you're like checking out what is he saying, and everywhere you're not willing to be present to receive it. Can you let go of your guards and just receive it, please? Thank you. Right and wrong, good and bad, fun, pop, all natural. I'm very one simple. When you were growing up, when you had sports day in your school, and the person came first, second, third, and your teacher said you put how much you wanted to be in that position, and did you feel guilty if you had a trophy in your hand? Did you feel guilty your friends not? So why can't you be the child in your creation? Why you have to bring guilt? Be the child and says, hey, is it? The child is unaware. The child is so happy with the joy of achieving what he desired to achieve or she desired to achieve. Why you can't be that energy and achieve? And there is no guilt. Where are you picking it up from? And whose guilt it is which doesn't allow you to have a demand of your reality, what you would like to have.
What have you made so vital, valuable, and real about the eternal, sacred, and inviolate orders of feelings to avoid the chaos that you could be choosing with total awareness that you are refusing and everything that is times because you can destroy and create all?
Right and wrong, good and bad, bottom pop, all lines shut. But actually, let's talk about money. Money is nowadays very scarce, I guess.
Yeah, but I think we maintain comfortable distance with money and business also, right? Because see, look over here, 47% of people, they said sometimes we do maintain comfortable distance to avoid total communion with our partner and with our business.
So why, if I say I want money, then why will I keep money away from me? Why will I maintain that comfortable distance, Sanjeev?
Because what happens is because you know what, here's a harsh reality. This reality is afraid of intimacy. Nobody in this reality is ready for intimacy. And the moment intimacy shows up, people start playing games. People start playing mind games to avoid intimacy by the creation of something called comfortable distance. People invent upsets to avoid intimacy. People invent problems so that too much intimacy, communion does not happen.
But Sanjeev, I say I want money, I say I want intimacy, then why I'm not having, I'm making a demand, I want it.
Well, what does the word want mean?
Lack.
So every time you say, I want money, I want relationship, I want sex, I want health, I want communion, what do you say? What are you meaning? What are you communicating to the universe?
I am lacking it.
Everywhere you decided that you are a void and you lack things and you're trying to fill up that eternal void, can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all lines shut. There's a question which Ranjali Singh said, answer to both the choices could be different. I think she was talking about comfortable distance. Ranjali, if I'm not mistaken, your answer.
Either with your partner or to your business. Everywhere you're creating. So everywhere you're creating that comfortable distance, can you let that go? Okay. What judgments, agendas, inventions, and lies are you using to create the dominance of evil as mediocrity types corruption square for the creation of comfortable distance as never having total communion with your partner or with your business that you are refusing, and everything that is times a Gaussian can you destroy and create all?
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all lunch. See, it's like when you said answer to both choices could be different. One thing that I would like to share is like, I'll be me. So how I respond to myself, that's the only way I'm going to respond to my business, to my partner, to everything. So if I'm maintaining that comfortable distance in one area, I am invariably maintaining that comfortable distance in every area. In some part it can be, ratios can be differ, but there will be a comfortable distance because this is how I am with myself. You cannot be something different. If you don't know a language, how can you speak that language somewhere else? Either you know it or you don't know it. There's no middle way. There's no middle ground. So, yeah. Sorry, next question.
Next question is, okay, how likely are you to suggest a friend? Okay. Okay, so, yeah, 74% of the people trying to put in that question.
This is what we do. You reject before getting rejection. You reject the answer. Don't want to know only. This is called rejection. This is what we do. We reject things before, with the fear that we will be rejected. We outright reject things.
Everywhere we are doing that can be destroyed and unclear at all.
Yes. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nice short boys and beyond. Yes, bring it on, doctor.
So 79% of the people here have heard about the Access Consciousness 4-day foundation class, and 21% have not heard about it. So for those of you who have not heard about it, we'll tell you that it's one amazing class, and you can Google about it, you can search on it. There's a lot of fun. There are a lot of tools that you might be learning in that. So we had some questions for you guys, So the first question we would like to ask you is, okay, so this is the foundation. For all of those who don't know, we are starting a foundation class tomorrow, and everybody is invited to choose. It's online. Okay, the first question is, do you dare to be joy? Suruchi, do you want to talk about this?
See, we started with the first question, did you dare to be joy? Joy is an energy. Are you willing to be that energy irrespective? It doesn't, see, we have definition of joy. We have given labels of joy. What if joy is just an energy? It doesn't mean whether you have money, you have something. It's just that energy that you be with doing whatever. So are you all willing to be that energy? And we all know energy is ask and receive. You don't have to reach a certain place. You don't have to add something or deduct something in your life. You can, whatever current situation you are in. But we say, okay, when my situation changes, then I'll be joyful. When this thing happens, then I'll be joyful. So what are you doing? You're asking, Joy, wait, I will come to you. You don't come to me. And that tomorrow never comes.
What have you decided brings you joy? So would anybody on the call like to share? What have you decided? What are the things that you have decided that if this happens, then I will be joyful. If that happens, then I will be joyful. What have you decided brings you joy? Who would like to share? You can unmute yourself and share.
Did we scare you people? Oh my God.
So first, yeah.
Happiness around yourself, as in everyone is happy or there are no problems nearby you.
Yeah, so if people around me are happy, then I will be happy.
Okay, then Kusha, tell me one thing. Just get me a percentage of the planet. How many people are actually happy? Truth. Whatever pops up.
Maybe around 20 or 30.
So you only have 20% chances to be happy out of 100% chances. Sorry, you missed your bus.
No, I choose 100%.
Everything that brings up, destroy and unclear it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, all insurance voicemails. Yeah, thank you for your vulnerability, Kusha. Thank you for sharing that, because we do oftentimes wait. We wait for people around to become happy first, and then I will choose happiness. So how many people, my question is, how many people need to become happy around you for you to choose your happiness? 100, 200, 1,000, 10,000?
Infinite. Or zero also works. Zero also works. I choose to be happy now.
Superb. Awesome. See, when we say...
Thank you.
Okay. So next what we want to ask of you is this one, would you dare to choose joy even if nobody else does? Or is that a sin? Is that, does that make you very, what do I say, cold? Does it make you cold and indifferent if you're choosing to be joyful and people around you are upset? I'm not saying, when people around are, somebody is dead and there's a funeral going on, go in the middle of the funeral and start laughter club. That's not what I'm saying, but we mean to say joy as an internal state, without having to wait for people around you, and not making yourself wrong for the unhappy choices that people make in their life. Your closest partner might be choosing unhappiness, and you sometimes might choose to make yourself guilty for that, until he or she chooses different. Okay, Suruchi, do you want to say something in Hindi? Jayashree wants to hear some Hindi.
So Jayashree, कितनी बार हम लाइफ में वो चीजें छोड़ देते हैं क्योंकि हम खुश हैं लेकिन हमारे पार्टनर खुश नहीं है. हम खुश हैं, हमारे भाई खुश नहीं है, हम फर्स्ट आ गया, मेरा भाई फ्लंक हो गया, तो उस टाइम सब हमको बोलते हैं कि ठीक है ना, तुमको कितनी खुश होने की क्या जरूरत है, हाँ तुम उनके साथ नहीं सिंपैथी कर सकते। तो हम वो समझदार का जो लेबल है ना वो लेके चलते हैं कि तुम हमारी समझदार बेटी हो, बेटा हो, तुम्हें समझना चाहिए। तो हमें बहुत प्राउड फील होता है, लेकिन उस प्राउड में हमारी हैप्पीनेस तो चली गई। तो हमने क्या सीखा कि जब कोई दुखी है और बिकॉज आपके पास ज्यादा है तो आपको उसको देना है जिसके पास कम है, लेकिन isn't it वो उनकी चॉइस है, ज्यादा या कम उन्होंने चूज किया है। अगर एक फैंसी ड्रेस है, कोई भिखारी बन के आता है तो आप उसके लिए थोड़ी ना बोलते अरे तू तो भिखारी बन गया, अरे मैं तो राजा बन गया, अभी कैसे करें। आप थोड़ी ना स्टेज में जाके बोलते नहीं नहीं इस भिखारी को ही दे दो, बेचारा भिखारी बना है। नहीं, तो लाइफ में वो जॉयफुल ये क्यों देना किसी को, और क्यों आपने सोच लिया कि वो उसकी चॉइस गलत है कि आपको सिंपैथी करनी है। अगर आप वही वो इंजॉय वो स्टेटस क्यों नहीं कर सकते। तो जो भी हमें बचपन में सिखाया गया था कि हमें समझदार, एक लेबल दे दिया गया था समझदारी का, तू मेरा समझदार बच्चा है, तू मेरा अच्छा बच्चा है, तू मेरा राजा बच्चा है, वो तो ऐसे ही है, तुम कर लो। और हम इतने खुश हो गए कि भैया हमें एक अवार्ड मिल गया है, और उस अवार्ड को हम अभी तक अपनी लाइफ में कंटिन्यू करते हैं। और उस अवार्ड का टेक अवे क्या है कि जब भी कोई दुखी हो या जब किसी के पास कम हो, हमें अपना देना है। सो हर जगह हम ये कर रहे हैं, अपने आप को काट रहे हैं, हम अपने आप को सेलिब्रेट नहीं कर रहे हैं। क्या वो थॉट्स, फीलिंग्स, इमोशंस, नो थॉट्स नो फीलिंग्स इमोशन जो हमने बचपन में सीखा, आर यू रेडी टू गिव दैट अप नाउ?
कौन है आपके लाइफ में जब तक वो खुश नहीं होंगे आप हंस नहीं पाओगे?
Everything that is right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all line short version। मुझे हिंदी में क्लियरिंग नहीं आती पर मैं हिंदी में समझा सकती हूँ, मेरा इंग्लिश है थोड़ा, सॉरी।
Awesome. So the next question that we have for you guys is this one. Okay, the next question is, what is the limit of your laugh? What is the limit of your laughter? How much laughter is too bad? You know, growing up, sometimes many of us have been told, don't laugh too much, you'll become sad. Suruchi, how do you say that in Hindi?
इतना हंसो मत, कल रोना पड़ जाएगा।
Everything that brought up. Everywhere you aligned and agreed with that belief system or resisted and reacted to it, can you destroy and unclear it all, please?
Right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all line short version। और कितनी बार बोला कि पागल चुड़ैल की तरह क्यों हंस रहे हो तुम लोग, पागल हो गए हो क्या?
Okay, and how many of you have misidentified your happiness, your laughter to be tears and tears to be laughter? How many of you have misidentified and misapplied sadness to be happiness and happiness to be sadness? Everything that is times a cousin, can you destroy and unclear it all?
Right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all line short
You won't believe this, Suruchi. So I was, we all were so happy. We are having a reunion. We all were laughing and so much fun. And one of our friends, she started crying. And we were like, okay, why are you crying? She said, I'm so happy that I have to cry now. Tears of joy. Why do tears of joy come? Because there is this programming. I don't know when it got created. There is a programming that makes you sometimes go into sadness after too much happiness.
So all those programming that you have instilled in your molecular, physical, and energetic level of your being, that by default, when your threshold of happiness reaches a threshold point, you need to let it out with tears. Can you not destroy and uncreate at all times?
Right and wrong, good and bad, POD, POC, all line shorts, boys and girls. How uncontainable can your joy be, and how infectious can your joy be?
Are you ready to create the battle of laughter? It's like how one yawns, the other person yawns, the third person yawns. What if you start laughing and it triggers everybody around you and they start laughing? Are you willing to be the creator of the laughter riot in the whole universe?
And everything else allow you to know that, be that, perceive that, receive that. Can you destroy and unclear it all?
Right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all line. No, we all say we want to contribute to the earth. That's a line. I always feel bad. यार मेरे को ना idea नहीं आता how to contribute to the earth. Like I don't go pick up plastic. I don't do. But you know how earth heals with your laughter. Every time you laugh, you heal earth because you take the sadness and the anger away from the earth.
When you are laughing, do you have time to judge other people? When you are having an orgasm, You're having amazing sex.
In middle of the sex, they will say, hello, hello, wait. मेरी friend कितनी बार आई थी?
Everything that brought up, destroy and uncreate it all, right and wrong, good and bad, porn, pork, online, shorts, boys and men. So when you're having an orgasm, do you have time to judge your own body also? Do you have time to judge the other person? Do you have time to judge people around you while you're in the peak of your orgasm?
Oh, I'm not dressed well. पागल है. Oh, shit.
Everything that brought up, destroy and uncreate it all, right and wrong, good and bad, porn, pork, online, shorts, boys and men. So what if we could be that orgasmic energy? Would that reduce the judgment in the world? Would that remove the evil in the world?
Sanjeev, I don't have a good body, okay? I don't have a flattening figure, and I don't have a hunk boyfriend or a husband, and I don't have a penthouse. I don't have enough money. I suck at what I do. I cannot have orgasmic. No, not done.
How many lifetimes of more suffering do you have to suffer before you can choose joy?
So हर जगह आपने अपने कर्मा पे अपने जॉय को होल्ड पे रखा है कि मुझे कर्मा के कारण सफर करना पड़ेगा. पहले इस लाइफ में पूरा सफर कर लेती हूँ तो अगली जिंदगी जो होगी ना शायद जॉयफुल हो जाएगी.
ऐसे कितने जिंदगी है, ऐसे कितने लाइफ टाइम्स है जिसके बाद आप खुश रह पाओगे?
तो एक चॉइस है, या तो बोलो ये लाइफ है खत्म बात, इसमें मैं चूज कर रही हूँ जॉय, वो आप तुरंत चूज करोगे मिलेगा. और अगर ये होगा कि नहीं, हर आदमी बोलता है हाँ तकलीफ है ना, पिछले जन्म में कुछ किया होगा उसी का तुम भोग रहे हो, तो या तो वही भोगते रहो या बोलो थैंक यू सो मच बट मैं अब जॉय को चूज कर रही हूँ. इट्स जस्ट अ चॉइस.
Everything that doesn't allow you to know that, be that, perceive that and receive that, can you destroy and create it all?
Right and wrong, good and bad, porn, pork, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. So what is the next question?
The next question is, would you dare to be you, even if nobody else is willing to be?
संजीव, ये थोड़ा मुश्किल काम है. बोल क्यों? क्योंकि अगर मैं हो गई तो मेरे तो कोई फ्रेंड ही नहीं रहेंगे. मैं तो एकदम अकेली प्लेनेट में. एक होता है ना कि सर्कस का जो भी होता है, सर्कस में भी लोग एक दूसरे जैसे होते हैं, तो मेरे भाई बंधु हैं, तो दुखीदारी जो है वो मेरे भाई बंधु हैं. सो एक कनेक्शन पॉइंट है. अगर मैं इतनी डिफरेंट हो गई तो लोग सोचेंगे कि मैं कहीं एलियन प्लैनेट से आई हूँ, तो मेरे साथ कोई नहीं रहेगा. क्यों? जो दुखी होते हैं तो देखो उनके पास कितने सारे फ्रेंड्स होते हैं. ठीक है, जब आप होते हो तो आप कितने खुश रहते हो, तब कोई नहीं होता आपके पास, आपकी कोई स्टोरी नहीं होती है बताने के लिए,
और सब लोग जज करते हैं.
हाँ,
और सब लोग जज करते हैं when you're yourself.
हाँ, तो वो जजमेंट, अगर हम, आपको पता है कि जजमेंट रिसीव करने से पैसे मिलते हैं, फिर जजमेंट रिसीव करोगे और जजमेंट
है, लेकिन when they judge it is so difficult to receive that judgment. You know cognitively when people judge you can receive money, but still when they judge you are in a very different and difficult space.
पहली बात तो ये चीज है
कि Kavita, how many times do you have to die out of sorrow and get crucified? Then will they be happy, and will they then stop judging you, or will they still continue to judge you?
So after death, everybody starts romancing with you. Then you are the best person on earth.
Who said? They'll still judge you. They'll still judge you, even whether you agree with them and satisfy to their needs, or you are willing to be you and totally different and continuing choosing for yourself. They're going to judge you. Yes or no?
Yes.
Or have you decided that you have to die in order to avoid their judgments? And how many deaths are you going to die? How many lifetimes are you going to die so that people don't judge you? And how many lifetimes have you doomed yourself to suffering and death, to not live, to not be joyful? Thou shalt not be judged. Everything that brings up, can you destroy and not create it all?
Right and wrong, good and bad, porn, pork, all nine shots. और कविता, आप जिसका भी इंतजार कर रहे हो ना कि वो आपको परमिशन दे देगा कि जा जी ले अपनी, हम मूवी से इन्फ्लुएंस ना, जा जी ले सिमरन अपनी जिंदगी, जा जी ले, कर ले. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि कोई परमिशन नहीं देता. क्यों? क्योंकि वो अपनी जिंदगी नहीं जी रहे, तो तुमको कैसे परमिशन देंगे?
And another thing is about seeking acknowledgement. Okay, so see, suppose I'm a fashion designer. I'm not. I'm a doctor. Okay. Suppose I'm a fashion designer and I have created this beautiful design. And मेरे आजू बाजू में up to 10,000 kilometers around me, nobody else is a fashion designer. Then I'm expecting the people around me to validate and acknowledge my design. Will they be able to acknowledge and appreciate it? Yes or no? Will they be able to?
No.
जिसको fashion का ABC भी नहीं आता है, will they be able to appreciate my fashion design, whatever I draw? Yes or no?
No.
No, they won't be able to. It's going to take another fashion designer to come and then see the design to acknowledge. So am I going to wait for that other fashion designer to come from a different country, to come from a different city, to my city to come and acknowledge my work? Or what if the person that you're waiting for acknowledgement is you? What if that person who will one day come and acknowledge the brilliance of me is me? Who's the one person who's been there with you from the moment you were born, witnessing all your struggles up until this point? Who's the one person?
Me.
Exactly. So what if the acknowledgement, see, that acknowledgement, that which we are seeking from somebody else, is that which we forgot to provide for ourselves.
True.
Suruchi, do you want to talk on that?
कविता, एक सिंपल सा चीज है, राइट डाउन द नेम की किसकी एक्नॉलेजमेंट की आप वेट कर रहे हो, ठीक है? जो भी नाम आएगा ना, फिर उसको स्क्रैच करना, उसमें बिग में अपना नाम लिखना, बोला मैं हूँ प्राइम मिनिस्टर अपने लाइफ की और मैं अपनी एक्नॉलेजमेंट की वेट कर रही हूँ, मिरर में खड़े होना और बोलना अवार्ड गोज टू यू एंड आई एक्नॉलेज यू, चाहे 1 महीने करना, unless you start acknowledging, because जब तक आप अपना हुनर नहीं देख सकते, आप अपनी कैपेबिलिटीज नहीं देख सकते, कोई आदमी नहीं देख सकता. क्यों? एक अंधा दूसरे अंधे को कैसे देख सकता है? So I will only go this much. क्यों? क्योंकि चूज करना नहीं, चूज करना आपको एक्नॉलेज, वो आपकी चॉइस है. भगवान भी आपको नहीं एक्नॉलेज कर सकता जब तक आप अपने आप को एक्नॉलेज नहीं करोगे.
In this reality, people don't know how to do acknowledgement and appreciation. It's a rare thing. It's a very rare quality. And if you're one of the people who knows how to acknowledge people and how to appreciate people, start doing more of it because you are different. And if you're waiting for other people to do that, sorry, they don't know. This reality does not know how to appreciate and how to acknowledge. It doesn't know. You can educate this reality by you acknowledging and appreciating, starting with yourself. First acknowledge you, appreciate you. By doing that, you're actually teaching people. And when you see a good work, when you see somebody doing good work, yes, you go and give the pat on the back and say, you are doing well. I acknowledge you. You are changing the world every time you are doing that.
And that only comes when our stomach is full. It's like तुम बोल रहे हो खाना शेयर करो, but प्लेट में तो खाना ही नहीं है, मैं कैसे दूं? तो जब आप खाना खा रहे हो, आप अपने आप को एक्नॉलेज कर रहे हो, तो दूसरों को एक्नॉलेज करना बहुत इजी हो जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि आप इंफीरियरिटी और नॉट गुड इनफ के बोट पे नहीं सवार कर रहे हो. आपको पता है आप में भी है. सो एवरीथिंग यू हैव डिसाइडेड दैट यू आर नॉट गुड इनफ और गुड फॉर, बिकॉज पीपल नेवर एक्नॉलेज्ड यू. एंड जिनसे हम एक्सपेक्टेशन था, हमारी पूरी दुनिया से एक्सपेक्टेशन है, टिपिकली फैमिली से होती है.
Whose acknowledgement are you waiting for before you can become happy?
So everything that is, can you now destroy and uncreate it all?
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm good and bad point for online shorts, boys and beyonds.
Yes, Sanjeev, let's leave her with the acknowledgement boat because she needs to do it. We can't do it for her. Sorry.
Ouch.
Thank you so much. One more question I have. Can I ask?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So when it is receiving, when is this receiving compliment? Okay. We say that, yeah, maybe that person is saying good because he's too kind. But when he is judging me, I'm so sure he's judging me.
Hold on. It's too kind because आपने decide कर लिया मैं तो हूँ ही नहीं अच्छी, उसने मुझे nice बोल दिया इसलिए आपने reject कर दिया कि वो kind होके हो रहा है. तो judgment आपका अपने बारे में है, which doesn't allow you to receive.
Ah, okay.
What have you decided that you are worthy and unworthy for? What have you decided you deserve? And what have you decided as you don't deserve?
And what if it's a fake orgasm? The other person is happy. And if it makes you happy, receive it and say thank you. The other person will think twice, यार मैंने तो comment मारा था, इसने तो ले लिया यार. तो अगली बार
orgasms, are you willing to fake it till you make it?
We all know about fake orgasms. Somewhere in life we did it. Let's be real. नहीं किया तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, but नहीं किया तो practice कर लो.
Everything that brought up. Right and wrong, good and bad, important pork, all nine shorts, boys and girls.
So,
Thank you so much, both of you. Thank you.
so what is
What
the next?
can you embrace about you today? You know, today, what if each one of us can acknowledge something about you? Okay, what would that be? Would you like to answer? So you can unmute yourself and you can share. What is the one thing you can acknowledge about you today, now?
Vulnerability.
Okay. Who else? What else?
Lovable.
Okay. Who else? What else?
Blissful.
Blissful. Okay. What else can you, what is the difference of you? In what way are you very different that you can acknowledge today?
I can always acknowledge that I'm always happy no matter what.
Okay. Who else? Tell us what is the difference of you that you can acknowledge about you today?
Dedication.
My madness.
Your madness. Okay. Acknowledge your madness.
Dedication.
Dedication. Please acknowledge your dedication.
Can be happy all the time.
Yes. Please acknowledge that about yourself because that is different. Not everybody is like that.
I acknowledge that I have the right to be happy without anybody else's acknowledgement of it or not. And thank you so much, guys. This short session though, but it was quite an eye-opener for me.
Thank you.
But have you decided we are done? We are not done.
No, but I was just taking my turn to say thank you because at the end I wouldn't get it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
My childish behavior.
Yeah, what if that is the difference of you? What if your childish behavior is actually, do you like your childish behavior? Can you
Yes.
acknowledge that about you?
Yes, I love it.
Yeah. What if, yeah, like that, what is the difference of you? Each one here, what can you acknowledge about you today? That which
My caring nature.
yeah, can you acknowledge that you're very caring?
Yes.
Yeah, who else?
Okay. What if your difference is your superpower? We all wanted to be superheroes. We all wanted to have some special power. What all your difference is your superpower?
How rich would that make you?
Healing power.
You know? Would you dare to create a joyful future? What have we decided about future? What have you decided creates the future? What have you decided, you know, every time you are choosing something that makes you joyful, are you creating a greater future or a lesser future?
Greater.
Yeah. What is stopping you from choosing that all the time? What is stopping you from choosing lightness, expansiveness, and that which creates more in the world? What is it that's stopping you?
Everything which goes them into their head to think what is stopping them rather than just asking and be present with the energy and all the energies that came up. जो भी energy आई है अभी आपके इस question से, will you not destroy and uncreate it all?
Right and wrong, good and bad, porn, pork, online shorts, boys and girls. How many distractor implants are you using to avoid the awareness of your joyfulness that you could be choosing? Everything that is.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine shorts, boys and girls. Okay.
So, yep.
ये डिस्ट्रैक्टर इम्प्लांट क्या है वो थोड़ा हिंदी में बता सकते हो आप?
डिस्ट्रैक्टर इम्प्लांट हिंदी में ये है कि जो हम गुस्सा करते हैं, हम जलन करते हैं, हम बोलते हैं हम ऐसे ही हैं और हमारे में इतना रेज आ जाता है, हम पीस मेंटेन करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि भैया शांति हो, झगड़ा नहीं हो हर जगह. तो वो सब क्या है? वो सब एक पार्ट ऑफ डिस्ट्रैक्टर इम्प्लांट है जहाँ पे जो हमको करने जाना होता है वो नहीं करके हम उसमें डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं, वहीं अटक जाते हैं, उसके आगे जा ही नहीं पाते.
Anger, rage, fury, hate. Suruchi, how do you say that in Hindi? Anger, rage, fury, hate.
Anger is गुस्सा, rage is इसलिए तो किसी को.
What is blame, shame, regret, guilt in Hindi?
Blame is हम blame is simple. हम हर दूसरे को इसके कारण ऐसा हुआ, उसके कारण ऐसा कर दिया, इसने ऐसा कर दिया, उसने ऐसा कर दिया, is blame.
Obsession, addiction, perversion, compulsion.
Compulsion is
करना ही पड़ेगा.
कैसे नहीं होगा, ये तो होके ही रहेगा,
ये तो करना ही पड़ेगा,
और तुझे पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा, चाहे मुर्गा बन के पढ़, पर पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा। बचपन याद आ रहा है?
लव, सेक्स, जेलसी, पीस।
तो लव, तुम मुझसे प्यार करते हो, तुम तो ऐसा ही करोगे। तुम मुझसे प्यार नहीं करते ना, इसलिए तुम मेरे लिए कर नहीं रहे हो। जेलसी, तू चुड़ैल कौन थे? हाँ, तुम किसके साथ बात कर रहे थे?
लाइफ, लिविंग, डेथ, रियलिटी।
लाइफ में तो ऊपर नीचे होती ही रहती है, क्या करे, ये तो ऐसी लाइफ है, ऐसी कट जाएगी, कुछ नहीं हो सकता लाइफ का।
लव, बिजनेस, रिलेशनशिप, फियर एंड डाउट।
ओ, अभी तो मैंने बिजनेस कर लिया है, अब तुम मैं पैसे नहीं कमा रही हूँ, नक्की नहीं हो रहा है। नहीं, कुछ भी हो, आज पूरा दिन जाए, बच्चे जाए, पति जाए, रात को नींद आए, लेकिन बिजनेस करने का है, यहाँ पैसे बनाने के।
फियर एंड डाउट।
मैं तो कर ही नहीं सकती, मुझे इंग्लिश ही नहीं बोलना आता, इतने बड़े बड़े लोग होंगे, मैं उनके सामने कैसे बात करूंगी?
ऑल ऑफ दिस, ये सब होता है डिस्ट्रैक्टर इम्प्लांट। जब भी ऐसे थॉट्स आते हैं, वो सच नहीं, जब भी ऐसे थॉट्स आ जाते हैं या फिर ऐसे फीलिंग्स आ जाते हैं, इसको बोलते हैं डिस्ट्रैक्शन। ये सच नहीं, ये आपको आपके पास से डिस्ट्रैक्ट करके दूर लेके जाता है। आपके जो भी चॉइस है, आपके चुनाव जो है, जिससे आप लाइफ में आगे बढ़ सकते हो, उससे ये आपको डिस्ट्रैक्ट करता है। व्हाट इज फॉर डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग इन हिंदी?
भटकाना. The word is bhatkana. It actually bhatkaus you from whatever your aim is.
अगर आपके पास आपके बच्चे हैं, जो बच्चे बहुत चंचल होते थे, तो हम उनको कैसे बोलते हैं कि दूध पी लो, नहीं तो काली माँ आ जाएगी। हाँ, डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया, डरा दिया कि भैया काम कर लो, नहीं तो ये हो जाएगा, नहीं तो ये हो जाएगा। तो वही जो डिस्ट्रैक्ट हम अपने आप को बोलते हैं ना, कि हम अपने गोल से अपने आप को भटकाते हैं, जो हमें चाहिए वो हम नहीं करें, हम अपने आप को इन सब चीजों से, इन सारे इमोशन से डिस्ट्रैक्ट करते रहते नहीं। अगर डिस्ट्रैक्शन नहीं होगा तो आप अपने आप अपने गोल पे चलते जाओगे, फिर आप बोल नहीं सकते, कोई कहानी नहीं है आपके पास कि आपने वो क्यों नहीं अचीव की जो आपको चाहिए।
The next question is, what if money follows joy? How happy are you willing to be that would create you more money in life? What if, we all think, हम सब सोचते हैं कि जब पैसा आएगा, then I will be happy. If I have the money, then I will be happy. But what if it's the other way around?
संजीव, क्या बकवास कर रहा है तू? ऐसे थोड़ी ना, हम इतना खुश, हमारे पैसे नहीं आ रहे, और तू बोल रहा है कि हंस लो पैसे आ जाएंगे।
Okay.
थोड़ी ना लगी है।
Okay, let us give a practical demonstration. Okay, so everybody please close your eyes. Now,
तो नहीं है हमारे आंख बंद करने से।
Okay, just imagine. Okay. Okay, imagine that, Surji, you can say in Hindi, okay? Imagine that you have 10,000 rupees in your bank balance.
आप इमेजिन कीजिए कि 10,000 रुपए आपके बैंक अकाउंट में है आपके पास।
Now just close your eyes, connect to the energy of that.
वो 10,000 में कनेक्ट कीजिए, उसकी एनर्जी, वो 10,000 रोकड़े, 10,000 रुपए जो बैंक अकाउंट में, वो कैसे फील कर रहे होंगे, उसकी आवाज।
1 lakh.
अब वो 10,000 ना अंडे दे के वो 1 लाख हो गया।
Imagine it became 10 lakhs.
अब वो 10 लाख हो गया। बहुत लोग अपने दिमाग में हो रहे हैं, ये 10,000 का 1 लाख का 10 लाख, बट हमने कुछ किया नहीं, वो कैसे बढ़ रहा है डॉक्टर संजीव?
Everything that brought up, destroy and uncreate it all, right and wrong, good and bad, point for online shorts, voicemails. Get your energy, get the energy of having 10 lakhs in your bank account.
बस 10 लाख रुपए है, आप बस इमेजिन कर लो, सोचो मत, दिमाग की ढक्कन को थोड़ा बंद करके उसको इमेजिन करो कि 10 लाख रुपए बैंक अकाउंट में बैठे, कड़क नोट।
Get the energy of 100 lakhs, get the energy of 1 crore in your bank account.
अब वो 1 करोड़ में मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, उसने इतने सारे बच्चे पैदा कर दिए, लॉकडाउन में रह के वो 1 करोड़ हो गया है।
कुछ नहीं किया आपने। You are actually having 100 crores with you.
अब वो पैसे आपके पास हैं, उसको महसूस करो, उसको फील करो, उसको अपने हर एक अंग में महसूस करके फील करो। अगर वो सारे आपको सराउंडेड हैं, अब आप अपनी एनर्जी फील करो उसके साथ, कैसी लग रही है। आपके पास 1 करोड़ रुपए बैंक अकाउंट में बैठे हैं, आपके पास है।
Get the energy of this. Everybody open your eyes and get the energy of this. This energy You know, when I
Awesome.
said 1 crore, 100 crores in your bank account, many of you started smiling. I could see on your picture, many of you started smiling. Eyes closed, but you're smiling. That energy. What if every day in the world you walked with that energy? The energy of 100 crores. Are you willing to be the energy of 100 crores? What if you being that energy is what will pull that money to you? What if you being that state of joyfulness can pull that wealth into your life? Wealth of abundance, wealth of opportunity, wealth of people, wealth of, you know, wealth of creation, wealth of business, wealth of relationship, wealth of intimacy, you know, wealth of ideas, wealth of youthfulness. What if you choosing? So this imagination was just a choice, right? You chose this energy state right now. What if you can choose this state every day?
And how is it making you feel? Just be honest. You don't have to give us an answer. You don't have to give anybody the answer. Your smile, your teeth, everything is showing कि कितना खुशी हो रहा है. So what? क्यों? अच्छा, जो आपका friend है उसके पास बहुत सारे पैसे हैं, आपको लगता है कि बहुत सारे पैसे हैं, वो आपसे पैसे मांगता है, आप उसको दे देते हो ना? क्यों? क्योंकि आपको पता है वापस आ जाएगा. और मेरे जैसा रोंदू आ जाता है, यार लॉस हो गया, ये हो गया, यार पैसे दे दे. आप सबसे पहले एक्सक्यूज करते हो, यार मेरी भी ना काम इतना ठीक नहीं चल रहा है, यार बीवी ने ये डिमांड बना दिया, बच्चों ने ये डिमांड कर दिया, नहीं दे सकते. राइट? सो जब भी आप एनर्जी के साथ जाते हो, आप नीड से नहीं ऑपरेट करते हो, आपके पास है और आप बोलते हो मुझे और चाहिए, तो यूनिवर्स आपको देता है. दैट्स द डिफरेंस. जब वो आप एनर्जी की बात हो रही है, आपके पॉकेट में नहीं, बट आपके पास एनर्जेटिकली है. जब वो एनर्जेटिकली है, वो आप मैग्नेट बन जाते हो कि आप किसी से भी मांगते हो तो वो नीड नहीं होता. हम वो भिखारी नहीं होते कि यार पैसे दे दे, यार मजबूरी है. आप बोलते हो चाहिए, दे दो. रॉब से बोलते हो, सीना तान के बोलते हो, खड़े होके बोलते हो कि हाँ, वो ये एनर्जी है जो संजीव आपको बोल रहा है. और वो अगर आप एनर्जी के साथ चलते हो, चल के देखो हफ्ता भर, ज्यादा दिन नहीं, बिकॉज बहुत ज्यादा अमीर हो जाओगे यार. थोड़ा 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 थोड़ा.
So try walking with that energy. And if you really liked our facilitation, we are doing a foundation class that is starting tomorrow. Everybody else, everybody who's, you know, who's wanting to learn this and who would like to explore more and have more fun with us the next 4 days, all of you are welcome. Thank you all so much.
And
Thank you.
Just one thing, हम वो poll वापस ले रहे हैं क्या नहीं ले रहे? Happiness.
Okay, let's take a poll again. Let's check your happiness levels once again.
It is only reason to see for you to acknowledge what has shifted for you, not for us. Sorry.
Okay, so relaunching the poll number 1. Okay, so everybody, how joyful are you right now? On a scale, okay, 0%, 10%, 50%, 100%. How joyful are you right now?
Quick polling. Second question.
Yeah.
How do you feel when others around you are unhappy? Unhappy, guilty, concerned, happy, neutral.
Scenario number 3. You and your best friend are in similar business line. Your best friend makes a lot of money and due to circumstances like lockdown, you make lesser money. How does this make you feel? Not bothered, good, not good enough, angry, jealous, motivated.
Question number 4. How often do you maintain some comfortable distance to avoid total communion with your partner or your business? Sometimes, often, always, never.
Question number 5. How likely are you to suggest a friend to choose? Okay. 0%, 10%, 50%, 100%.
Have you heard about Access Online 4-day foundation class? Yes, no. So this was a poll. The other thing is, meanwhile, when the report is coming, we would really like, when we were talking about intimacy, there's another thing that is coming up, which me and Sanjeev are doing, that is called intimacy with self. So we are going to do 5 days of intimacy with ourselves, 1 day each topic, where we are doing an exercise, we are doing an energy pull, and we are going deep down, bashing like this with fun. कि bash आपकी पिटाई भी हो रही है और आपको पता भी नहीं चल रहा और मजे आ रहे हैं. So we'll be doing that.
So it is called 5 elements of intimacy. And Suruchi, when are we starting that?
8th May. And timing is 4 to 5, 8 ghanta.
15th May. There are 5 elements of intimacy. What are those 5 elements?
Honor, trust, gratitude, allowance, and vulnerability.
Vulnerability. So each day we will be looking at one of these 5 elements of intimacy. One day we'll be talking about how you can honor yourself. Second day we'll be talking about how you can be vulnerable with yourself. Next day we're going to be talking about how you can be grateful to you. Next day, how you can have, you know, that kindness to yourself. Like that, we're going to be exploring each day one element of the 5 elements of intimacy, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So don't
टाइम
lose.
नहीं है, हम बहुत बिजी है, लॉकडाउन में बहुत काम करना पड़ता है, टाइम नहीं है हमारे पास.
So no time, no money, and sickness. These are 3 excuses that you can give to which people will usually not be able to say no. But usually, eventually, what happens is they end up becoming the excuses that you give yourself also. Okay. So Rajeshri, you can text me or Suruchi if you want details about the foundation registration.
Why don't you write down our numbers so they can get in touch in the.
Sure. So any of you guys want to get in touch with me or Suruchi, you want to experience our facilitation, my number is 976902048. I'm leaving it here on the chat. And Suruchi, your number is
99208
208
59 173.
173. Okay, so you can contact, it's on the chat. You can pick it up from there, either me or Suruchi. You can get in touch with us. And if you want to know more about the future creations, what we are doing, right? So here is the results of the poll at the end of the, banter.
Yes!
51% of the people are 100% joyful. How does it get better? And okay, 50% of people are now feeling neutral about it, and actually 35% of people are willing to be happy even when others are unhappy. How cool is that? Okay, and now 65%.
Motivated.
And 53% of the people will never maintain comfortable distance. Okay, still there is some amount of you. There is some work to be done. Comfortable distance and intimacy, both of these are topics in the foundation class. So if you're coming to foundation class, you can deal with it over there. How likely are you to suggest a friend? Yay, 88%. Okay. Have you ever heard of Access Foundation? See, now you heard. Okay, 91%.
This is called self-acknowledgement. Good job. Good job.
Self-acknowledgement. Okay, so thank you, everybody. It's been a great pleasure. Okay, Suruchi, any closing remarks?
Thank you so much. And thank you so much for your time and your vulnerability.
Okay,
thank you, Suruchi. Thank you,
Suruchi.
Dr.
You are
Sanjeev.
amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Suruchi and Sanjeev. You both were amazing.
Thank you, guys.
Suruchi, can we have a Suruchi app, please? You're amazing, so infectious. I love
Yeah.
you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ask and shall receive. We shall create together. I don't know anything about app. अगर आता है तो मैं नौटंकी करने देगा.
See you all soon. Hope to see you. Bye.